Tsaka itong si Medina. So Medina and Lozano will not be able to play. Pero itong Mapuano aiming for perfection. And speaking of perfection, Clint Escamis nailing MJ Raimundo. Big pocketing Clint Escamis. Ito na si Lawrence Mangubat. Spin cycle, basket, and the foul.
Parang hindi rookie, no? Parang hindi rookie yung galaw.
Pero coach, tinan mo ito si MJ Raimundo. Bihira nakakagawa niya kay Clint.
Correct. Ang maganda rito, dalawang top scorers ang nagbabantay.
Correct. So pareha silang pagod dito sa laban natin.
Pakita lang natin paano.
But he gets the rebound.
Alam mong nakafocus sa kanya yung defense ng Mapua.
Tagda ng basa ni Lawrence Mangubat and he scores on the break. Lumabas. And the Cardinals will look to create a bigger lead. Yam Concepcion underneath. Book it and beyond for Concepcion.
Ito mo pag MVP ka, hindi lang scoring eh.
Yeah. But how about this rookie Lawrence Mangubat with a perfect read. Escamis with a vision. And Igleane. That's big to big action for Mapua.
Si Argente pinupuntahan siyang ni Mangubat.
Ito, Sarmiento, cross court. Libre si Barrera. In and out, pana an offensive board and he cleans it up.
Ganda ng putback na yun, pero kita natin walang...
Let's wait and slow it down. He goes to the hot hand here in Chris Hobilia. Hobilia, another and one for Hobilia. He has 9
Nakikita nila may advantage si Hobilia rito. Pinapa-ISO nila on top. Kita lang kung walang humihelp. Tatapusin ka talaga ni Hobilia.
Ito muna yung follow-up ni Ivan Panapanan, also coming from NCAA Juniors with the Braves. But Chris Hobilia this time taking him off the dribble that time. And this time on a cross and a downhill drive. He has improved. Cuenco coming off a 26-point performance in the game now. He stops on a dime, turns, and makes it look simple.
Tingnan na lang ng Mapua ngayon. Kanino ba sila may advantage? Pupuntahan lang nila kung sila mag-ISO ngayon.
This is the first double-digit lead para sa Mapua. And they're doing it in the first quarter. Kaya kailangan mong mag-ingat dito at bawal kang pumigat against Mapua. Kasi ganito nila kabilis. Napapalaki yung kanilang lamang.
Na-identify din nila yung mga mismatches. Actually, ganun kabilis.
That's right. 2:49 to go here in the first. Patrick Ramos is now in the game. Being closely covered by Bangkale. Ramos. Bounce pass. Panapanaan. Yes! And the foul for the rookie, Ivan Panapanaan.
Buti nagawa nila ng paraan. Actually, dikit na dikit yung depensa ng Mapua. Kaya lang, minsan yun din yung ibibigay. Pagka masyado pang close. Meron kang open space na mabibigay sa iba yan.
Yeah. Nice bounce pass. And this is something he can do. Of course, nakita na natin yung potential. Ito mo naman yung adjustment doon after the bump in mid-air for Ivan Panapanaan. For Mapua, tying the biggest lead, that is Argente with the scoop. Misses. He got it back. Barrera back to Argente from the corner. Connects.
Yan ang nakakatakot dyan pag nagsimula na mag-init si Argente.
Clint Didiscarte. Escamis. What will he do? Escamis drives. Escamis. Ow! He is denied by Panapanaan. But Mapua still has 4 seconds to work with.
Ganda ng timing ni Panapanaan.
This is the defensive timing we've been talking about. Blocked well. Bangkale. Escamis almost falling down. Escamis throws it up. Oh! Clint Escamis buries the half-court three.
The first quarter official score is 32-18.
For this, recovering, heaving. Oh, that will definitely count. And giving them their biggest lead so far. Binigyan pa tayo ng Clint, natapikan sa likod. Counter, turnover. 3-on-2. JRU has the numbers. Uy! Ito si Raimundo. Napaganda ba para sa JRU Heavy Bombers? Counted the foul for MJ Raimundo. And that's officially his first basket of the game, Coach Ral.
First pa lang pala.
First pa lang.
Bigat. Isa siya sa pinaka, na-expect ni Coach Louie. na mag-take charge dito eh. So, with Argente, Gia, mukhang kailangan silang puntahan. Kasi sila ang mga kailangan. Tsaka bago niya matanggap yung bola, ilang bangganing natanggap niya, uubusin niya yung legs mo eh.
Yeah. Dami na niyang pinagdaanan. Pangilinan. Snipes.
Ng shooting niya ni Waki Garcia.
Designated sniper to. And a very steady point guard as well. Here he is. On cue. Knocks down.
Alam mo na
His
kung bakit
first
siya pinasok.
attempt, yeah.
Zone.
Ito ulit siya. One more time. Same spot. Of the front of the rim this time. Pangilinan na Abuelo. Doesn't get the pectus. Ito, follow up.
Siya na yung tumira, siya pa yung putback. Ganda ng length niya eh.
Yeah. Si Joseph Pangilinan. Nailed a 3 earlier. Now he cuts the lead down to 17. Lawrence, binigay kay Coach Randy.
Kaya yung shoot ni Coach Randy yan.
Akala ko naka-triple threat si Coach Randy dun eh. Ready to shoot eh. O, ito si Pangilinan. Missed the first challenge shot. Nakuha niya ulit, Coach.
Galing. Itutuloy. Minsan pinifake nilang zone, then babagsak sa man eh.
Cuenco scoops! Nice baseline drive for Cyrus Cuenco.
Laging may sagot. Laging may sagot ang Mapua.
At grabe yung scoop na yun, ha? Palubo. Uy! Pangilinan. Beautiful feed to the rolling Giab.
Pwede na puntahan yung mga pick and roll with Giab.
But they can't afford to exchange baskets with Mapua. Kasi yun lang yung nagiging tema dito. Oh, Garcia left with space.
Mataas kasi yung score, 48. Meron pa 3 minutes.
Here's Samontanes. Barrera. Giab. Giab goes around the Giab scores around the world.
Oo, yun nga, tama nga. Go to Giab. Siguro yun ang may advantage nila ngayon over Hubilia. Guarding a big, siguro si Hubilia nangangapa pa. Try nila take advantage yun.
10 points for Joshua Giab. Ito na yung drive ni Cyrus Cuenco.
Hirap kasi i-cover si Cuenco. Hindi mo alam kung bibigay mo ba yung 3 points. Pag bigay mo naman yung 3 points, at taas din ang percentage niya. Pag nag-long close out ka, ibo-blow by ka naman na yan.
Correct. Ito yung gusto ni Coach Randy as we see this feed. Pangilinan to Giab. Cuenco really provides that mismatch against the big men of JRU. Kalaw ni Joshua Giab kanina going the rebound there. Ito yung step back long two para kay Garcia.
Mukhang sinadya eh. Hindi tumatawa eh.
Sinadya niya yan. Sinurbol. Pacheco Bangkale with a counter 3 on the other side para sa kanila.
Hindi nila nararamdaman yung pag-alis ng mga bets nila eh.
Yeah. Raimundo struggling in the first half. Step back jumper, hirap na tira pero naipasok ni MJ Raimundo.
Kung ikaw yung coach ng Mapua, matutuwa ka pa rin dun sa defense na yun. Challenge, step back, good defense pa rin.
That was under duress para kay Raimundo who now has 5 points. Manghubat, Escamis, Abonete, wala, di niya nakita si Manghubat. Battle for the board, it ends up with Benitez. Ito na si Mosqueda. The other way we go, Sydney, yes! So JRU.
Unti-unti nang binababa, malaking bagay ito.
Ito, ang ganda ng cut ni Igliane. 18-point lead, face-up jumper is good. And that's from the outside for our rating.
Feeling ng Mapua, meron silang advantage Cuenco over Argente. Kaya nagkakaroon ng isoron.
On the roll, Joshua Giab scores. Again, good things are happening.
Nakita naman natin, unang tira pa lang. Pasok agad yung 3 points niya.
Hindi natin kung hahanapin siya dito. Pero si Manghubat, sabi niya, ako naman.
Pamatay sunog yung kay Manghubat na yun.
And again, instead of a basket in transition earlier, Coach, yun ang consequence sa kabila para sa JRU.
4-point swing yun eh, yun ang masakit.
And Raimundo forcing the issue and draws the foul. Free throws coming up for MJ Raimundo. And Loris Manghubat again finding himself with some space in front of him. Manghubat.
Yung galaw eh.
Garel Garcia, under a minute left. JRU looking for a strong finish. Garcia forced it. Follow-up will go in for Lance Benitez. And he'll head to the line for a bonus.
Ganda ng timing ng Benitez doon.
Ito na.
Parang okay na rin hindi pumasok yung tira noong una. Lagi nakukuha pa sila ng foul counted.
Napaganda pa.
Napaganda pa.
Garcia missing. Benitez staying with it. Coach, unti ang abante ng Mapua. Back to Clint. Kaboom! And again, it's Clint Escamis. Points. Pero naka-3 si Clint Escamis right before we ended the third. That's why it's 14 points right now. Oh, ganda. Naiwanan sa ilalim si De Jesus.
Laking bagay talaga pag pumupunta sila kay Giab eh.
Pangilinan is on attack mode. Pangilinan misses. Raimundo gets the offensive board. Corner, open, Pangilinan, tabaw!
Ito na yun, bumaba na ng 11. 8 points na lang.
Turo siya dun sa labi niya. Let's check this one out. Open look, taken care of by Pangilinan. Joshua Giab, off the fake handoff, was left wide open for the straightaway 3. Escamis handles, clear! Connects! When you need some sure points, Mapua knows who to go to. Very precise para dito kay Panapanaan. 3 blocks. Oh!
Muntik na yon. Pero alam na ni Escamis kung anong gagawin, kaya binigyan niya ng floater.
And Escamis with yet another extension for Mapua. Benitez. Panapanaan scores.
Big to big passing, napakaganda.
Tit for tat, we exchange hoops. Escamis, wow! Goes to the other side.
Mga superstar, talagang alam.
That would have been big. Panapanaan, or that's Garcia rather, taking it away. And JRU gets another crack at it. Panapanaan. Benitez. Argente for 3. Argente knocks it down.
Kailangan na talaga mag-take charge ni Argente ngayon. Kung nawawala si Giab, Pangilinan, pinupuntahan na ng defense ngayon ng Mapua. Argente, kailangan niya mag-take over.
Be the right time for Sean to look for his shots. Gubat with a counter on the other side.
Unlike sa Mapua, talagang kahit sino pwede talagang mag-take charge eh.
16 puntos para kay Mangubad. And Argente will force the issue. Argente gets the ball. Meantime, big shot here by Sean Argente for a total of 11 points in the game. But what a counter. Gutsy, straightaway 3 para dito kay Lawrence Mangubad, coach. That was a big offensive rebound he got. Look at this. Ito muna. Yung long 2 mula kay Garcia. Stepped on the line. But how about this? In this sequence, siya yung pinakamaliit dito na rebounder. Diba? Against 3. Oo. Great hustle coming from Agaw. Aboneta recovers. Escamis wisely waits. Time is on their side as we enter deep water territory. The final 2 minutes of this game. Aboneta. No. Got it. In and out. Jenny again.
Dalawang offensive rebound. Binuhay niya. Naku.
And the Cardinals get their 5th win in season 100. They dominate JRU in this one. The final score is 88-81. Mapua ties Letran in 2nd place dyan sa ating team standings. JRU on the other hand, they fall down. They're part of the bottom 3 right now at 2 and 5. Final score is 88-81. Mapua with yet another convincing win here in season 100. in control all throughout.